I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking 2-4 reference mixes that match your song's arrangement and vibe. Make sure they represent the target tonality. Next, import those stereo files into your session and align start points so you can A/B instantly. Once done, match perceived loudness using LUFS or simple gain trim so level differences don't bias your ears. Keep meters displayed. Also set up a reliable monitoring chain, same volume, same path, to ensure comparisons reflect mix decisions, not playback variables. You now compare tonal balance and dynamics section by section, load a spectral analyzer, and look for 100-300 Hz buildup or missing presence around 2.5K Hz. Apply corrective EQ, then test a spectral match or reference EQ curve to guide choices, not to copy blindly. Once adjusted, review stereo width and mono compatibility. Collapse to mono and listen for phase cancellations. Make rapid A/B swaps across verses and choruses to ensure decisions hold across. You finish by applying subtle broad processing, light bus compression, gentle saturation, and final EQ touches to glue the mix while keeping transients clear. Then create a test master using the export settings and codecs you expect to use, and listen on studio monitors, headphones, phone, and car. Once done, tweak automation and re-export until the reference feel is mirrored. If something still sounds off, check gain staging, phase relationships, or mute buses one at a time. That single check often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.